Nah, I'm okay. I appreciate you. People down here are so nice. This thunderstorm's coming though. Well, we got a flat. So we got the kit out. Air compressor. I could call AAA, I could call somebody to come help me out, but I'm gonna do it myself. This guy on there because I don't want the car going anywhere. Just a fun Thursday morning. There we go. Before this thunderstorm hits, might be soon, we gotta inflate this thing and put it on. If you get stuck in a position like this, I mean, I'm in a really fortunate position. I was able to pull to the shoulder and into a parking lot. 5-star on the lug nuts, remove the tire, fill up the spare tire. I think 41 PSI is the max. It says you got about 10 minutes to drive, so I'm just gonna go down the road real quick to the office because it's close. Otherwise, I'd go straight to like a tire place. Get me to the office. And last piece of advice, don't forget this. This is what you put on your front tire. Teeth down so you don't roll away. I do deserve a drink. Made it over to the parking garage before the rain started. Thank you, Jesus. And I had to go like 45 because you can only you're supposed to go 50 miles an hour on this tire. So let's see how I did. Alright, still on there. Lug nuts secure. Alright. And you know what? It's only 9:30, so still basically have my whole day. I'd like to say let's wrap it up and that's a good day at work, but I actually have shit to do now. That was just a minor inconvenience. And I have to get a new tire or patch the old one, so. Okay. Didn't die, didn't get hurt. All is well.